today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your Audible library on your iPhone. This is a quick way to make sure any new audiobooks you've purchased or added to your account appear in the app right away, and it can also help your library reflect the most up-to-date information. Make sure your iPhone has an active internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular, so the app can sync. Start by opening the Audible app on your iPhone. If it's your first time in a while, give it a second to load. You'll want to be in the part of the app that shows what you already own, not the store or recommendations. Next, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Library. This section is dedicated to your personal collection. If you accidentally land on Home or Discover, you'll see promos and suggestions instead, so Library is the place where your purchased and added titles live. Inside your library, tap Audiobooks. Audible may show multiple content types, and the Audiobooks filter ensures you're looking at your book titles specifically. If you don't see something you expect, it might be in another filter or waiting to sync, which we'll handle next. Now refresh your library. Place your finger near the top of the list and pull down, like you're stretching the page downward. Keep pulling until you see a small loading spinner appear at the top. That spinner is your cue that a refresh is about to happen. Then release your finger to start the sync. You should see the spinner animate for a moment while Audible checks your account and updates your list. Give it a few seconds, especially if you have a large collection or a slower connection. When the refresh completes, any newly purchased titles should appear, and existing entries may update their cover art or availability status. If you are expecting something and still don't see it, double-check that you're on the Audiobooks filter and try pulling down firmly enough to trigger the spinner. A brief connection check can also help if the refresh seems to hang. That's all there is to it. Open the Audible app, go to Library, select Audiobooks, pull down until you see the spinner and release to refresh. You can repeat this anytime you buy a new audiobook from another device, redeem a credit, or notice your list looks out of date. It's a simple gesture that keeps your library in sync and ready to listen, so you can spend less time searching and more time enjoying your books.